Hey guys, welcome back to Blockbox Daily. In today's quick video, we have some very exciting news to share about Hoppy. Hoppy has just been listed on a new exchange. We're going to go over that in this video. We're also going to talk about price action and what this news means for us moving forward as Hoppy investors. Be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's hop right in. So for those of you who don't already know, Hoppy is getting listed on Gate.io, which is a pretty significant exchange, I'd say tier 1, and it will begin trading at 12 p.m. This would explain why Hoppy is currently up and on its way to a $100 million market cap again. So what does this new listing mean for us? Well, first of all, a new listing means access to new customers for Hoppy, new investors on Gate.io, making it easier to access and easier to gather new holders. This also opens the door for other tier 2 and even tier 1 exchanges to start listing Hoppy as well. Hoppy is just shy of 20,000 holders right now. And like I said in previous videos, as we start to get new exchange listings, we will see the price move up and we will see the holder count grow significantly, and we are about to hit a new threshold of 20,000 holders. If we take a look at OKX as well on social media, over here on X, they keep posting frog related content and they keep hinting at Hoppy being listed, and I know that was speculation earlier, so the fact that they are also hinting at this really solidifies the idea that they will soon be listing Hoppy as well, especially now that Gate.io has opened the so-called gate. Guys, this is exactly why you don't go chasing green candles. Hoppy has been red recently until this news has dropped. Now it's up, as a lot of other cryptos in the market are red. And I feel sorry for anyone that sold Hoppy because it wasn't moving to chase green candles, and now those green candles are red and Hoppy is pumping. It's impossible to time the market. That's why time in the market is key in crypto. You want to DCA in, hold your bags, make sure you're investing with conviction, and you won't sell out to chase a green candle. That's my little tip of the day, not financial advice. This is exciting news for Hoppy. I knew we were going to start getting those exchange listings, and with that, the dominoes are going to start to fall. As I've been saying, we're going to start seeing more listings more frequently, and the price action will reflect that, and the holder count will reflect that, and us investors that have held and got in early and continue to DCA in are going to be rewarded in the end. Guys, that's all I have for today. Comment down below if you think that OKX will list Hoppy soon. Who do you think is going to list Hoppy next? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Where do you see Hoppy going? Please comment down below. With that being said, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.